Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off notifications on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, notifications can disrupt your focus during activities that require concentration, such as reading, studying, or driving. Turning off notifications ensure that you can maintain focus without being interrupted. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first of all, please open the settings menu. So here you can choose notifications option. Next, select app notifications. Then here you can turn off notifications from the app you want. Or you can enable silent mode on your device by going to the control center. Then tap on this icon until it turns to silent mode like this. Okay, so with the two ways above, you have turned off the notifications on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off notifications on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.